is going on, guys? Welcome to the Credit Guys YouTube channel, where we talk about things finance and credit related. Today's video topic is going to be how to use a credit card to start and operate your very own business or grow your business. Without further ado, let's get into it. So how to use a credit card to start or scale your own business. Step one is going to need an LLC. So to open an LLC, it's different for everybody. Your state has certain requirements you need in order to open an LLC. You need a business bank account, you need an EIN, and then you can open your LLC. Once you have that step, next you need to make sure that your personal credit is primed and ready to go to start applying for business credit cards. That means you cannot have any derogatory or negative items on your credit report. Things like late payments or collections or medical debts or student loans. Anything that is having a negative impact on your credit needs to be cleaned up and removed. Make sure that your revolving credit card balances are below the 20% rate so you're not having a negative impact. So once you have all those things good, you're primed, your personal credit's good to go, then you need to pick which business credit cards are going to be the best. In my personal opinion, the Amex Blue Business Cash is a good one, as well as any of the Chase business credit cards. Reason being is because they offer 0% interest for 12 months or more, and it does not report on your personal side, meaning you can max out the cards. It's not going to have a negative impact on your personal credit score. Once you have all those things in place, now it's time to pick your vehicle of money making of your choice. So I would deploy the cash into good assets such as crypto, Airbnbs, or Shopify dropshipping. Any one of these assets are sure to make you a higher return than the 0% interest that you're paying if deployed carefully. So again, the topic of this video is basically how to start a business with any credit card, any business credit card, to get you going to create that passive income flow. So again, a good asset's going to be an Airbnb. If you can apply for 3, 4, 5 different business credit cards, get around $30, $40, $50, $60, $70,000 in available credit, you can use that to put it as a down payment on a potential rental property that you can now rent out for a couple $100s or $1,000 a month. And now that money's going in your pocket, you pay off your credit card, and you have passive income. The next one would be the Shopify dropshipping. It's very, very easy to start. It's a low-risk business. You open up a Shopify store, get a supplier from one of the websites, Alibaba or AliExpress. Choose your advertising platform, Facebook ads, TikTok marketing. Pick a product, start running ads, and watch the cash come in. So these are very, very simple things you can do to start making money using the bank's money, credit cards. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for all things credit and finance related videos. I'm Gilberto with Credit Guys. Until next time.